Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, roof rack. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, ashtray, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.